discuss osteoarthritis in your pets. Mainly dogs obtain osteoarthritis. Cats can as well, but it's more rare. Dogs obtain osteoarthritis or arthritis from an injury or a developmental problem in their bones. So if you have a large breed pet, they're predisposed to becoming arthritic in their old age. So I recommend something called Glycoflex. Glycoflex has glucosamine in it and chondroitin sulfate. They're antioxidants. Antioxidants prevent oxidative destruction by preventing free radicals from forming in your blood. And free radicals attack the cartilage and the bone in your joints. And what this does is it prevents those radicals from forming, and it slows progression of osteoarthritis or prevents it. If your pet is exhibiting signs of osteoarthritis, which include limping, lethargy, general pain, they don't want to get up when they're on the ground. Typically older patients have this, but they can have an injury as well. Then I would definitely recommend this. And I also would recommend something called LifeVantage. It has a medication in it that increases antioxidant production in your body. And so it's not a supplement. It increases your antioxidant production 1,000,000 to 1. And I recommend this whenever you've got a pet with osteoarthritis, because this really helps to prevent it. It also gives your pet more energy. Typically it takes a couple months for this to kick in. If the pain is very severe and there's obvious signs of arthritis or an injury or some kind of developmental problem, I would recommend an anti-inflammatory called Metacam or Meloxicam. Metacam is an anti-inflammatory, which means that it prevents inflammation. Inflammation causes 90% of pain in your pet. So if you take away the inflammation, you take away the pain. If the pain is severe enough where we have to put them on some kind of a pain medication, we can do that as well, but I typically stay with these 3 items. So again, if you see your pet limping, if you see that your pet is lethargic or not wanting to move so well, maybe he's a little slower on the walk, bring them in and we can put them on this medication and this supplement, and they'll feel better, they'll act like a puppy or kitten again, and you'll be happy with the results.